Let's see how to lock contents of a Microsoft Word page. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we are sending out our document and it has been finalized, meaning that we don't want to make any changes, whether accidentally or intentionally. We want to keep the document as secure as possible. Now we can do that by making sure that our document is protected by Microsoft Word. And to do that, simply click on the Review tab and you will find a Protect section right here on the far right. Now click on Restrict Editing, and this window on the left will pop out where you can select the different types of editing that you will allow into your document. Now, let's say that you want to protect the entirety of your document. Simply click on Editing Restrictions and make sure that you select No Changes, and that will change your document into read only. Additionally, you can also create exceptions for people who can edit certain parts of your document by selecting them in this box right here. And when you're all done, simply click Start Enforcing Protection right here. And you can create a password to protect your document so that whenever they want to edit, they'll have to enter that password. Or you can choose user authentication, where you will be the one, the owner, to authenticate whether they can edit the document or not. Now, once you've chosen one, simply click on OK, and that will change your document to become non-editable. And as you can see, it is now in viewing mode, and we cannot change it back into editing mode. And that is how you can lock the contents on a Microsoft Word page. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.